Hello, good evening, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Okay, so today we will learn the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. So, ಈ ಒಂದು chapter ಅನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ. Okay, so which type of questions will come in this chapter? ಮತ್ತೆ MCQs questions ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ that we will discuss today. Okay, so shall we start the class? Okay, pair of linear equation in two variables. Yes, before going to start the pair of linear equations in two variables, first we should know what do you mean by equation? Yes, dear children, what do you mean by equation? See, if I write x plus 1 is equal to, if I write x plus 1 is equal to 5, okay, x plus 1 is equal to 5, or x plus 7 is equal to 11. See, if I write x plus 1 is equal to 5, x plus 7 is equal to 11. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ equation ಆಗತ್ತಾ? Yes, is it a equation? Yes, it is a equation. Why? Because it contains three parts, that is LHS part, and this one is equal to sign, and this part is RHS part. Right? LHS part, equal to sign, and RHS part. Means in equation, we are going to observe three parts, that is LHS part, equal to sign, and RHS part. Okay. So next, what do you mean by, okay, first it is equation 1 minute with one variable. See, in case of polynomials also, we learnt about the types of polynomial. See, if I write only x plus 1, it is a polynomial. I am not going to write the polynomial with equal to sign. So, nanili equal to sign anna use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only I am writing x plus 1. It is a polynomial. ಇದೇ polynomial ಅನ್ನ if I write this polynomial with equal to 0 or equal to any number, then it will become a equation, right? Okay. In case of polynomials also, we learnt about the types of polynomial, that is linear polynomial, and second one is quadratic polynomial, right? And cubic polynomial. Okay. So, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು study ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Like that, here also we are going to see, we are going to study about the linear equation and quadratic equation. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the linear equation, quadratic equation, right? Quadratic equation and cubic equation. What do you mean by linear equation? If the, what do you mean by linear polynomial? If the degree is 1, if the polynomial degree is 1, highest degree is 1, then it is called as linear. Like that, if the highest degree in the equation is 1, then it is called as linear equation. If the highest degree is 2, that we call it as a quadratic equation, right? And if the degree is 3, then that equation we call it as a cubic equation, right? Okay. So here, next comes, wait, linear means what? 1, highest degree 2, here it is 3. Next, linear equation with one variable. Yes, what do you mean by variable? See, if I write 2x, this is constant term, this is variable, right? If I write 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, it is variable is x here. So here in this equation, I am using only one variable. Therefore, this equation is called as equation with one variable, right? Equation with one variable. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7x minus 9 equal to 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Okay. So this in this equation also I am using only one variable. Therefore, it is also example for equation with one variable. The algebraic equation of the type ax plus b equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0 and b are the real numbers. That means See, if I write the general form of equation, linear equation with one variable, consider this constant term as a and x plus this term as b. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ constant term ಅನ್ನ b ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it will be ax plus b. What do you mean by a and b? A and b are real numbers here. Real numbers means that numbers may be anything. It may be positive, it may be negative or fraction, or it may be anything. Rational, irrational numbers, ಏನೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. So A, B are real numbers and x is a variable. So this is a variable. Only one variable is there. Therefore, it is a equation with one variable. See, if A becomes 0, what will happen? A becomes 0, then ax plus b equal to 0. A into 0 is 0 plus b is equal to 0. That means b is equal to 0 ಆದರೆ simply it is a term. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ linear equation ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? It is not a linear equation. Okay. Next. Pair of linear equations. So pair of linear equations in two variables. So already we saw what do you mean by equation with one variable. If I use the equation with two variable, first ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ equation with two variable ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay. Equation with two variable. See, if I write 2x plus 3y plus 5u is equal to 0. Right? So 2x plus 3y plus 5u is equal to 0. In this equation, I am using two variables, that is x and y. Right? And another example I will take, that is minus 9x plus 3 by 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Here also I am using two variables, that is x and y. Therefore, this equation is called as equation with two variables. Equation with two variables, right? Okay, next. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So pair means what? Two equations are there. ಜೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Pair ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? ಜೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So if I write two equations together, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Pair of linear equations. For example, here 2x plus 3y is equal to 5u is there and x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. That means 2x plus 3y is equal to 5u, and in this example x minus 2y, and you will get plus 3. That means here these two are two equations we are writing. So this we call it as a pair of linear equation in two variables, right? So how many variables we are using? That is x and y. Two variables ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ two equations ಅನ್ನ combine ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So it is called as pair of linear equations, right? Pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, next. An equation in which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then what is the general form of linear equation in two variable? See, if I write 2x plus 3y plus 5u is equal to 0 in this equation. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? Call 2 as a into x plus 3 ಅನ್ನ b ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. b into y plus this term is c is equal to 0. Therefore, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of linear equation in two variable. Why it is called as linear? Because the variable power is 1 here, right? Variable power is 1 here and two variables we are using. Therefore, this is a linear equation in two variables. This is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, where a, b, c are real numbers. So this one is very important. Okay, remember this may be asked in MCQ questions. Okay, a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, next, and a and b are not both zeros is called a linear equation in two variables. So a and b should not be equal to 0. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ? So a into 0 0 ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. y into 0, 0 agate. So only left with c. So if c is equal to 0, it is not a equation agate, but it is not a equation in two variables. Howda? Therefore, a and b is not equal to 0. This is called as a linear equation in two variables x and y. A solution of such an equation is a pair of values, one for x and other for y, which makes the two sides of equation equal. See, first we should understand what do you mean by solution. Okay, then only we can understand the solutions in two variables. So solutions means what? What do you mean by solutions? Yes, my dear students, what do you mean by solutions? Okay, see, if I take x plus 5 is equal to 10. X plus 5 is equal to 10. This is one equation, that is a linear equation in one variable. Okay, so what do you mean by solution? Solution anta yavaga karitivi anta andre when the x means when the equation LHS part is equal to RHS part anta baratte. That means when the values of LHS part and RHS parts are equal, then it is called a solution. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when you are substituting or when you put a x value, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ LHS part and RHS part equal ಆಗತ್ತೆ, that value of the x we call it as a solution of that equation, right? So here if I put x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, then 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 I will get. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Here also it is 10. Therefore LHS part is equal to RHS part. That means the solution of this equation is x is equal to 5. How many solutions I got here? Only one solution, because it is the equation with in one variable. If the equation contains two variables, in that case I am getting two solutions. Okay, so that is one for x and one for y. Yes, see here. A solution of such an equation is a pair of values, one for x and other for y, which makes the two sides of the equation equal. Okay. Next. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, here we are considering two examples. Pair of equations in two variables. Yes. So, see, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Right. So if I consider the pair of linear equation in two variables. So pair I'm considering in that time, the general form will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the general form of pair of linear equation. Okay, pair of linear equation. Okay, remember this is the general form of pair of linear equation. 1 minute. Wait for a minute. Yes. So next is, this is the general form of pair of linear equation. This is very, very important. We have to remember. A1x plus B1y, it is not x, it is y, plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Here, another important thing is A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are real numbers. A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2 and C2 are real numbers, right? Real numbers. Okay. So some examples are there for linear equations in two variables. These are pair of linear equations, right? 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. 9x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. 5x is equal to y. minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 7 and 17 is equal to y. Okay, this is also pair of linear equation. Yes. Next, see, when two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. See, now ivaga two pair of linear equations in two variables anta tagondaga, we are getting two solutions. That is, one is for x and another one is for y. And if two equations are there, and then we are getting two solutions. Okay, so namge pair of linear equations iddaga, we are getting two solutions. So now two solutions anna tagondaga, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಟೂ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಟೂ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಟೂ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. When you plot a graph for these two equations, then you will get you will get three chances there. That means there are three possibilities are there. That means the two lines will intersect. So namge, when the equation is a linear, see, when the equation is linear, then always graph should be straight line. Equation linear agidre graph straight line alle baratte. When the equation is quadratic, then the graph is parabolic. Yes, so cubic iddaga namge ee thara baratte, ಹೌದಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್. If here we are considering two linear equations, that means two solutions we are getting and two lines we are getting. Therefore, why? Therefore, because this is a two equations are linear equations. Therefore, two straight lines we are getting. So straight lines sigatte. Adu hegirutte? There are three possibilities can happen. Okay. So one possibility is, or there are three chances. The two lines will intersect at a point. This is one chance. So one line, one equation in the sigatte. This is another line from another equation. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sometimes two lines intersect each other. Okay, next, the two lines will not intersect, that is they are parallel. Okay, here the two lines are not intersecting, but they are parallel to each other. The two lines will be coincident. This is another chance. Okay, or third chance, the two lines are coincident. Or else we can say that it is a overlapping on one another. Overlapping andre ondara mele ondu barodu. Okay, so this is overlapping on one another. So these three chances we are getting while plotting a graph. Next, another important condition. This is also very, very important. See, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, there we are getting three conditions. ಒಂದು intersect ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇನೆ, without plotting the graph also, we can tell that what is the nature of graph. ಹೌದಾ, ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕದೇನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, by comparing the ratios. By comparing the ratios means what? Here a1 is there, here a2 is there. If we compare a1 divided by a2 with b1 divided by b2, okay, a1 divided by a2 with b1 divided by b2, this is b1, this is b2. If we compare these two ratios, ನಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ values same ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, that means the values are different, then a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, means we are getting different values. That time the nature of the graph or the lines are intersecting each other. Okay, when two lines are intersecting each other, that means a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. At this condition, the lines will intersect. Next, algebraic solution. Algebraic solution will be unique solution. Which type of solutions it has? Unique solution. Consistency. Is it consistent or inconsistent? So when two lines are intersecting, that means the pair is consistent. Okay. Next, if we get the result A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That means all the values are same here. When we get all the values or all the ratios are same, that time we call it as the two lines are coincident line. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ values same ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ two lines are coincident line. One line ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Second line also overlapping on this line only. That means these two lines are coincident lines. Next, algebraic solution is how many solutions it has? It has infinite number of solutions. Okay. See, this is very, very, very important. Infinite solutions, unique solutions, no solutions. Okay. So pair is dependent. How the pairs are? The two pairs are dependent. Okay. Adu vandara melondu depend agirate. Dependent on each other. So dependent. Next, if we get the result A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2. That means this ratio and this ratios are same, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Now, at that time, graph will be parallel lines. Two lines are parallel. Okay, aವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ lines parallel ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And how many solutions it has? When the two lines are parallel, then there is no solutions. Okay, this is also very, very, very important. We should remember. Next, pairs are inconsistent. See, remember when the pairs are consistent, when the lines are intersecting, when the pairs are dependent, when lines are coincident or overlapping on each other. Next, when the pair is inconsistent, when there is parallel lines, or when it has no solution, that time it is inconsistent. Okay. Next, so using these conditions, we will solve some multiple choice questions. Okay. Yes, all are ready? Yes, my dear children. If two equations have exactly one solution and are in the form A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2, okay, then they are, see, if two lines are A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2, then they are coincident lines or transversal line or intersecting lines or parallel lines. This is intersecting lines. Okay. If two equations have no solutions and are in the form A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. At this condition, the lines are ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Then they are coincident lines or intersecting lines or transversal lines or parallel lines. Yes, how the lines will be? Lines are parallel. Okay. Next, in general form of a pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 are called as ಇವೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, whether it is whole numbers or real numbers or integers or co-primes, ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? These all are real numbers. Okay. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 may be anything. It may be a rational, it may be irrational, it may be a whole number, or it may be an integer, or it may be a natural number. ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. So, we call it as real numbers. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat, means only one bat, and 2 more balls of the same kind for Rs 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically. Algebraically means, let us consider bats as X and balls as Y. Okay. So how many bats are there? 3 bats, right? 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. Next question is, later she buys another bat. Another bat means how many bats are there? Only one bat. That means x plus two more balls, that is 2y is equal to 1300. So this is the algebraic representation of the situation. Okay. Next, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then the lines are ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ coincident ಆಗಿರತ್ತಾ, or it may be, or it is intersecting lines or transversal line or wait parallel lines. Okay, so ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೊದಲು compare the ratios. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, now wait 1 minute, wait for a minute. Yes, so this is a1x, this is b1y, this is c1, right, equal to 0, and this is a2x plus b2y plus a2 equal to 0. So what is the value of a1? A1 is 1 and b1 is 2 and c1 is minus 4. Okay, a2 is 2 and b2 is 4 and c2 is minus 12. Okay, so ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ compare the ratios means directly you are going to write a1 divided by a2. A1 value is 1, a2 value is 2. That means a1 divided by a2 value is 1 divided by 2. Next, b1 divided by b2. What is the value of b1? b1 is 2 here and b2 is 4, right? 2 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means here also you are getting 1 divided by 2. Next, C1 divided by C2. What is the value of C1? C1 is minus 4 divided by minus 12 is there. C2 is 4 ones are 4 threes are, minus and minus will get cancelled. So C1 divided by C2 value is 1 divided by 3. This ratio is 1 divided by 3. Next, a1 divided by a2 and b1 divided by b2 are equal. That means a1 divided by a2 and b1 divided by b2 are equal. Here we are getting 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. But it is not equal to c1 divided by c2. Why? Because c1 divided by c2 value is 1 divided by 3. This is not equal to a1 divided by a2 and b1 divided by b2. Therefore, when you are getting, when you when the condition is a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, that time two lines are intersecting each other. Therefore, option B is right. Okay. Next, if the lines 3x plus 2ky minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel, then the value of k is, okay, when the lines are parallel, when a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, but it is not equal to c1 divided by c2. At this condition, lines are parallel, right? Lines parallel ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 3x plus 2ky minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a1, this is a2, this is b1, this is b2, this is c1, this is c2. All we know what do you mean, what is the value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Okay, now compare the ratios. A1 divided by a2, that is 3 divided by 2. b1 divided by b2. 2, b value is 2k here. Why? Because b1y a1x plus b1y plus c1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Y means 2k is the coefficient of y. That means b1 value is 2k. 2k divided by 5 C1 divided by C2 is minus 2 divided by 1. Okay. A1 divided by A2 value is 3 by 2. Right. A1 divided by A2 value is 3 by 2. Correct agi observe madri. When we get two lines are parallel, when A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Okay, C1 divided by C2 ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ equal ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. To minus 2 divided by 1 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Next ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A1 divided by A2 value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? This is 3 by 2. Okay, when the lines are parallel, A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. In order to get 3 divided by 2, which value I have to multiply to 2 so that I can get 3 divided by 2. ಈ K ಅಂತ K ಇರುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ K ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 3 divided by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So go through the options. 4 divided by 15 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So 2 into 4 divided by 15 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is 8 divided by 15. ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. Next. 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 15. K value is 15 divided by 5 into 4. Okay. 15 into 2 is 30 divided by 20. 0 will get cancelled. We left with 3 divided by 2. So A1 divided by A2 value and B1 divided by B2 values are matching here. Check with C also. Check with C. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into 4 divided by 5 into 4 by 5 is there. 5 into 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 divided by 25 you will get. So if you cancel these two values, you will not get 3 divided by 2. Next, ಇದನ್ನ no need to check other options. Therefore, option B is right. If I multiply K value is 15, 2 into 15 is 30 and 5 into 4 is 20. 0 will get cancelled and 3 divided by 2 I will get. Therefore, option B is right. Next, the solutions. Okay, wait, I will erase it first. So option B is right here. Next one, solutions of the equation x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. Okay. X minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. R. Solutions ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ? In this chapter, we are going to learn 3 methods. So, first, see, in order to find out the solutions, there are 2 methods are there. To find out the solutions, there are 2 methods. That is, one is graphical method. One is graphical method and second one is algebraic method. Okay. So now solutions anna 2 methods in the find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. One is graphical method and another one is algebraic method. In algebraic method, again we are going to find out 3 methods. That is, one is elimination method. Elimination method. Okay. Next one is substitution method. Substitution method. And third one is cross multiplication method. Okay. Cross multiplication method. First ನಾವು graphical method ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ by plotting the graph we can find out the solution. Other method is algebraic method. In algebraic method 3 methods are there. Again 3 methods are there. First one is elimination, second one is substitution and third one is multiplication. Okay. Third one is multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. So in case of elimination method, already you learned what do you mean by elimination method? Multiplication method. Yes. So in case of elimination method, what we are going to do is, first we will eliminate one variable. Okay. one variable ಅನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y and minus y is there. these two values will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. That means x is equal to 3 you will get. Substitute the value of x in equation number 1 or 2. In any equation you can substitute. In equation 1, so in equation 1 madana, 3 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2. Transfer this 3 to this side. Minus 3 will get. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 2. That is minus 1 you will get. Minus and minus will get cancelled. You will get y is equal to 1. Nange ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತಿವಾಗ 3 and 1. So solutions are x and y value ಏನು ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ? X and y values are 3 and 1. Therefore, option A is right. Yes, option A is right. Next, if x is equal to A, y is equal to B, is the solutions of the equation x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4, then the values of A and B are respectively. What they have given, x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. See, it is same like previous question. Same ade question ide, but what they have given here is x is equal to a anta kottidare. Hauda? If we replace x with a minus b, y value is b and is equal to 2 and a plus b is equal to 4. Here also b and b will get cancelled. A plus a is 2a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 divided by 2. That means a value is 3 here. Right. Substitute the value of b in equation 2. We will substitute. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Equation 2. 3 plus b is equal to 4. b is equal to, transfer this 3 to this side. 4 minus 3 you will get. So b is equal to 1 you will get. That means value of a and b are 3 and 1. Again you are getting same solutions. That is 3 and 1. Option C is right. Okay. Next. A pair of linear equations with infinitely many solutions. Yes, my dear children, when you will get infinitely many solutions? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ infinitely many solutions ಇರತ್ತೆ? When two lines are coincident, that time infinitely many solutions we will have. A pair of linear equation with infinitely many solutions. When the lines are parallel, no, parallel, not parallel, it is coincident, right? When the lines are coincident, when a1 divided by a2 is equal to divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. At that time, pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay. Wait, not infinitely many solutions. 1 minute. Yes. So coincident lines, infinitely many solutions. Okay. When the intersecting lines, it has unique solution, infinitely many solutions. When the lines are parallel, that time it has no solutions. Okay. So now, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ? Two lines are having infinitely many solutions. So go with options. 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. a1 divided by a2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what you will get? 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 remains. So b1 divided by b2 is equal to minus 3 divided by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled, but you will get minus 1. Here observe carefully, a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. Therefore, this option is wrong. No need to check other ratio. Okay. Next one. Option B. We'll check option B. 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. a1 divided by a2. 3 divided by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 1 remains. b1 divided by b2. Minus 4, minus 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 1 remains. Minus and minus will also get cancelled. c1 divided by c2. Okay, C1 divided by C2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? C1 is plus 6, right? C1 divided by C2. C1 value is minus 6, C2 value is plus 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. You will get minus 1. But we want plus 1. In order to get A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. For that, plus 1 we want. But here minus 1 is there. Therefore, this option is also wrong. Next, x minus y plus 10. X minus y plus 10 equal to 0. X minus y plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Check A1 divided by A2. 1 divided by 1, this is 1. B1 divided by B2, that is minus 1 divided by minus 1. See here, minus y is there. So nothing is there means coefficient of y is 1. Here, it is minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. You will get 1. C1 divided by C2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, C1 divided by C2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 10 divided by 10. Here also we are getting 1. This is also same, this is also same, and it is also same. Therefore, option C is right. No need to check other option. Option C is right. Okay. Next. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್, ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ unique solutions, infinitely many solutions, and no solutions. Okay. Pair of linear equations 5x plus 10y is equal to 12. Okay. And 15 plus 3y is equal to 10. Have dash solutions. This is 15x. Okay. 15x it is. 15x plus 30y is equal to 10. Have dash solutions. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5x, when you compare the ratios, which result you will get, that we will check. 15x plus 30y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, first compare the ratios. A1 divided by A2. A1 value is 5 and A2 value is 15 here, right? 5 ones are 5 threes are. You will get 1 divided by 3. Like that, B1 divided by B2 is equal to B1 value is 10 and B2 value is 30. 10 divided by 30. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 1 divided by 3. Observe here. Here also it is 1 divided by 3 and here also it is 1 divided by 3. C1 divided by C2. 12 divided by 10. 2 6 are 2 5s are. 6 divided by 5. Observe carefully. A1 divided by A2 ratio is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Lines are parallel. Okay. When the lines are parallel, when the lines are parallel, at that time, you will have no solutions. Okay. So parallel iddaga namge solution sigalla. Hauda? When you will get unique solutions, when the lines are intersecting each other. When you will get infinitely many solutions, when lines are coincide. When you will get no solutions, when the lines are parallel. This is totally wrong. Therefore, option C is right. Next, the pair of linear equations 2x. This is option C is right. Pair of linear equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5r. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Whether it is consistent or dependent or inconsistent or independent. See, the equations are 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. These two are equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here also, compare the ratios, that is A1 divided by A2. A1 value is 2 divided by 3 and B1 value is B1 divided by B2. Observe here, B1 value is minus 3, B2 value is 2. Is A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2? No, these two are not equal. See here, it is 2 divided by 3. It is minus 3 divided by 2. So these two are not equal. When the two ratios are not equal, means A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2, then the lines are intersecting lines. When lines are intersecting, you will have unique solutions and the line pair of equations are consistent. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? It is consistent. Okay. Next. From the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. See here we are going to use substitution method. Okay. Yes. The difference between the two numbers is 26. Okay. That means here two numbers are there. The difference between that two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Okay. Even the question ali we are going to make two parts. Navin madana two parts anna madana. One part is the difference between two number anta one part madana. Amele another and one number is the 3 times of the other. This is another part. Okay. Andre namge two equations baratte. First, let first number be x. Okay. Let first number be x. Okay. And second number be y. Let's consider second number as y. Second number as y. Okay. Now, what they have given, the difference between two numbers. Difference between two numbers is 26. Okay. So, for that, y minus x is equal to 26. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. y minus x is equal to 26. This is first equation number 1. Second equation. In second equation, one number is 3 times the other number. That means if we consider second number is 3 times the other number, that is y is equal to 3x. One number is 3 times other number. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, which method we are going to use here? Here they have mentioned by using substitution method. So we need to use substitution method. For substitution method, see here, y is equal to 3x is there. Substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Right? So what is equation number 1? Y minus x is equal to 26. Y value is 3x. 3x minus x is equal to 26. You will get 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 26. Transfer this 2 to this side. You will get x is equal to 26 divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 3s are. X value is 13. 26, right? Okay. X value is 13. Next, x is equal to 13. Now, substitute the value of x in equation number 2. What you will get? Substitute the value of x in equation number 2. What you will get? Equation number 2 is y is equal to 3 into x value is 13. Therefore, y is equal to 13 3s are 39. This is our final answer. Okay. Yes, the difference between two numbers is 26. Y minus x is equal to 26 and the one number is 3 times the other. Therefore, y is equal to 3x. Substitute the value of y in equation number 1. 3x minus x is equal to 26. So 3x minus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 26. If you transfer 2 to this side, you will have 26 divided by 2. That is 1s are 3s are. You will get 13. Substitute the value of x in y. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? In order to get y. So substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Y is equal to 3 into x value is 13. 3, 13. 13 into 3 is 39. Okay, this is the value of x and y. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method. Here we are going to use elimination method. Okay, my dear children, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal to sign ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal to sign ಇದೆ. First ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದನ್ನ equal ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 3x minus 5y, transfer this 4 to this side, 4. Right? Next, 9x, transfer this 2 to this side, you will have 2y, minus 2y is equal to 7. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Observe whether two variables are equal here. No, ಯಾವುದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ವೈ. ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು? ಹಿಯರ್ 9x is there, here 3x is there. If I multiply this equation with 3, what I will get? 3 3s are 9, 9x minus 5 into 3 is 15. Y is equal to 4 into 3 is 12. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Change the signs. Plus idre minus ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, minus idre plus ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. 9x and 9x will get cancelled because this is plus, this is minus. So both will get cancelled. Minus 15 plus 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Minus 15 plus 2 means it is minus 13y is equal to 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, that is 5 you will get. Therefore, y is equal to transfer this 13 to this side, you will get 5 divided by 13. This is minus sign. And the minus 5 divided by 13. Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ or in equation 2. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ನಾವು substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Substitute the value of y in equation number 1, right? So equation 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. 3 into x minus 5 into y value is minus 13 divided by 1 minute. 5 divided by 13. 13 divided by 5. This is 13, right? 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay, try ಮಾಡೋಣ. 13 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 5 divided by 13. 4. 3x minus into minus plus 25 divided by 13 is equal to 4. Now transfer this 25 divided by 13 to this side. 4 minus 25 divided by 13 you will get. Now take LCM. 13 into 4. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿರತ್ತೆ. LCM is 13. So ನಮಗೆ 13 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ into 13 into 13, right? So 4 into 13, 52. 52 minus 25. 3x is 52 minus 25. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12, 7 it is 27. 27 divided by 13. Now, 27 divided by 13, transfer this 3 to this side. You will get x is equal to 27 divided by 13 into 3, right? 3 ones are, 3 nines are. Finally, you will get x is equal to 9 divided by 13. X is equal to 9 divided by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 divided by 13. These two are the values of x and y. This is by using elimination method. Okay. Next. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು 2 parts ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, first ನಮಗೆ 5 years hence means 5 years after. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So, first consider Jacob's age is x and Jacob's age is x. Consider Jacob's age is x. Okay. Next. His son age is y. His son's age is y. Next. Hence means 5 year. Hence means after 5 years. So after 5 years means you are adding 5 years to the Jacob as well as 5 years to his sons. Okay. So x plus 5 after 5 years means x plus 5 is equal to y plus 5. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Age of Jacob ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಅವನ ಮಗನ 3 times ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Age of Jacob is 3 times that of his son, right? Next, 5 years ago. 5 years ago means back. So 5 years back. 5 years back. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X minus 5 is equal to y minus 5. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು? 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Okay, so this is Jacob's age and that Jacob's age is 7 times that of his son, right? Next. This is x plus 5u is equal to 3 into y, 3y plus 15. 3y plus 15. 3 into 5 is 15. Now, x, transfer this y to this side, x minus 3y is equal to, transfer this 5 to this side, 15 minus 5 you will get. Therefore, x minus 3y is equal to 10 you will get. So, this is equation number 1. Here, x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. X minus y, transfer this y to this side, 7y minus 35. Transfer this 5 to this side. So plus 5. Okay. 7 minus x minus 7y is equal to minus 30 you will get. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now from equation number 1, see here, from equation number 1, if I transfer this 3y to this side, 3y to this side, it will be x is equal to 10 plus 3y. ಹೌದಾ? 10 plus 3y ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Call this as equation number 3. So, now substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is substitute value of x in equation number 2. So, equation number 2 ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ? X minus 7y is equal to 30. X value is 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30, right? 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. 3y here 7y is there. Therefore, it is 10 minus 4y is equal to minus 30. Now transfer this 10 to this side. It will be minus 4y is equal to minus 30 minus 10. Minus 4y is equal to minus 30 minus 10 is minus 40. Y is equal to minus 40 divided by 4. Transfer this 4 to this side. Minus 4, 4 and 4 ones are 4 tens are minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 10 you will get. Right? Y is equal to 10. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 3. Okay, substitute the value of, here I will write, substitute the value of y in equation number 3. Then we will get x value. X is equal to 10 plus 3 into y value is 10. Therefore, x is 10 plus 3 into 10 is 30. 10 plus 30 is 40. X value is 40 and y value is 10. This is x value. X means it is Jacob's age and y value is 10. That is sun's age. X ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Jacob's age ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? This is Jacob's age. Jacob's age and this is sun's age. Okay. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಂತ the 5 years hence the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So son's age ನಮ್ಗೆ 10 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 3 times ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ 10 plus 30 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is Jacob's age and this is son's age. So this is the question. This question can be asked for 3 marks. Okay. So ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? Yes, my dear children, study well. All the very best. Thank you so much.